Good day, everyone. My name is Engineer Kene. I'm here today to teach you once again. All right, I want us to discuss chemistry today. And the topic we want to discuss today is what we have on the board, formulae of what? Compounds. Formulae of compounds. Let's go. Let me show you how it can be gotten. All right, so this formula is the plural form of what? Formula. Okay. Formula is singular, while formula is the plural form. So sometimes you see something like this. You see something like this. Maybe you have something like this. I remember when we started chemistry initially, when we see something like this, we used to find it difficult to even to give the IUPAC name. This we call it calcium tetraoxo sulfate 6. Calcium tetraoxo sulfate 6. All right, when you have a formula like this, sometimes you find it difficult how to come about this. So when you look at this now, you notice that actually what happened here is that calcium ion combined with calcium ion combined with what? Combined with this tetraoxo sulfate 6 ion. Can you see? These two, they combined. Is it clear? And by combining this and this is what you are going to consider. Can you see that? This and this. All right. So it means that the um the combining power of calcium is what? 2, while the combining power of this is what? 2 also. So by combining, this will exchange. This will give this one the 2, this one will give this one the 2. Why is this one positive? It's because it's what? Positive ion, and this one is what? Negative ion. So by combining like this, it simply means that this calcium will give this one is 2, while this one will give this one 2. So these 2 will be here. So these 2 of tetraoxo sulfate 6 ion will go to this, while this one will also receive 2 from this. Can you see? This one will come here. Can you see that? All right. So when you have 2 here, you reduce the lowest term. That's why this one cancelled. Can you see that? When you reduce the lowest term, this one is now 1. This one is now 1. So there's no need for this bracket again. You don't have something like this. Can you see that? So during combination, in order to form a compound, there will be exchange of combining power. This will give this, while this one will give this. Then you now combine them. If they can be reduced to lowest term, you divide. But if they cannot be reduced to lowest term, you leave it like that. That's how to find the formula of compounds. All right, follow me. Let me show you some examples. You see how I'll be combining them. Let's go. All right, we have example 1. Example 1 says, write the formula of the compound that will be formed when, of course, you know, K means potassium ion combining with what? Cl means what? Chlorine ion. So when potassium ion combines with chlorine ion, what do you think that will be formed? All right, I'll show you what will be formed and how to obtain what will be formed. All right, this plus 1, this plus means plus 1, and this minus means minus 1. All right, it means that this one, the combining power is plus 1, and combining power here is what? Minus 1. So this one has 1 and this one has 1. All right, it means that while combining like this K will take this 1. There's 1 here, but you don't write it. You don't write 1. Okay, so we have this one. It means that this one, Cl, will also take this one. So there's 1 here, there's 1 here, something like this. Can you see that? But we don't write it. Okay, so that means that we start writing from 2 up. So that means that the formula of the compound that will be formed is this one. We call it potassium chloride. We call it what? Potassium chloride. All right, that is what we are going to have. We call it potassium chloride. We call it potassium chloride. All right, let us solve another example.